So guys, yesterday I wanted to take my car out of the garage for a little bit, and I came upon a little problem. After 4 months of winter storage, she just wouldn't start. And I gotta say I was pretty pissed because it was beautiful out and I just wanted to take my car for a spin. But after trying to jump in and everything, I put the multimeter on and the battery was reading about 4 volts. So definitely time to swap out the battery. So I went ahead to Ford and told them, hey, I got my 03 Cobra sitting in the garage and I really want to drive her. Get me a battery as soon as you can. They got me one within half an hour. And I'm about to smack one in right now and let's hope this thing starts up. You don't have to keep this thing on or anything. It's just a little cover, battery cover that they give you with the car. I like it. So I keep it on there. Go ahead and drop her in. Alright guys, so I got that little piece in to secure the battery down so it doesn't shake around or anything like that, and now we're going to go ahead and connect the terminals back. So when you're removing a battery, you take the negative terminal off first, which is the black one, and then the positive terminal, which is the red one. So when you're putting the battery back in, you do it in the exact reverse order. You put the positive one back first, and then the negative one. And make sure those terminals are on there nice and tight. You don't want them jiggling loose or anything. Not the end of the world, but it's just annoying. Alright, let me put these away and let's see if we can't start her up.